Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable your OkCupid account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to disable your OkCupid account, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Once you're in your profile settings page, here you can see the settings option. Tap on it. Now from the settings menu, you can find the disable your account option over here. You can tap on it. Now tap on next. Here you can provide the reason why you want to disable your account and simply tap on next. Again tap on next. It'll ask you a bunch of questions. You can answer it accordingly. Now here you will find two different options, whether to disable or delete your account. If you only want to disable your account, you can simply choose this disable my account option. So when you disable your account, you can log back in whenever you want. Your account will not be deleted permanently. So you can get back to your account whenever you want again. So that's it. After you choose this option, you can tap on this disable option. So that's how you can easily disable your OkCupid account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.